Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study time and tense in language paper. First of all, understand what is the difference between time and tense. What is the meaning of tense? Of course, it means time, but time of an action. But here you have to understand the difference between time and tense. Time is affected by the movements of sun, moon, earth. Second, we can say his time is quite tough nowadays. You cannot say his tense is quite tough nowadays. So his time is very good nowadays. But you cannot say his tense is very good nowadays. But you have to see the difference in meaning. Now, time is limited to past, present and future. But the same case doesn't apply to tense. Tense may be simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So in total, if you count, so there are 12 categories of tenses. Simple present, simple past, simple future. Again, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Next is present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and fourth category, that is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. So there are 3 into 4 categories and 4 categories and 3 subcategories. 3 into 4. In total, there are 12 categories of tenses. Now let's discuss about simple present tense. We use simple present tense to express our present habit. He gets up in the morning at 5 o'clock. I read newspaper every morning. They go on picnic every year. These all are habit. Or this is regular action. Second point, scientific fact. Oil floats on water. This is scientific fact. The needle of compass lies south-north. This is scientific fact. The scientific fact is expressed in simple present tense. Now, someone's characters. So he is very honest person. His character, which is in present simple tense. One thing you must know, tense expresses 2 things, action and state. He goes to movie every Sunday. So here this expresses action, work. But if you say he is all right now, easy, this expresses state here. Now, another condition when you use present simple tense is when there is a fixed routine, schedule, timetable. This all can be expressed into simple present tense, though they express future. Our exam begins next week. The Prime Minister comes to Ranchi tomorrow. The train leaves at 5 o'clock. These all are scheduled, timetable or pre-planned activities. Next point, when you use present simple tense, there is general truth or universal truth. Example, sun rising in the east. This is all. Sun rising in the east, this is an example of scientific fact. Scientific or general truth. Other uses of present simple are to express mental activity. For example, think, see, imagine, suppose, understand, trust, believe, wish, desire. These all will be used in simple present tense. We cannot say, I am trusting you. But we will say, I trust you, because trust is used in simple present tense only, not continuous tense. I am supposing cannot be used. I suppose. I am imagining cannot be used. I imagine. So, another one is verb of sensual organs. Since there are 5 sense organs, you know very well. So, verb for that will be expressed into simple present tense. Smell, hear, taste, and so you can say rose smells nice. So here smell cannot be used in continuous tense, always you have to use in simple present tense. Next one is there verb of possession. Example, that is belong. So this book is belonging to, will be wrong. This book belongs to me, because this is belong is verb of possession. Own. I am owning this house cannot be said. I own this house. And another verb is when you are expressing something in dramatic way. Though it was something happened in past, but it will be expressed in simple present. I saw a movie last day in which a boy enters the house through an open window. So here the boy enters the house through an open window in present simple tense, but something happened in past. So here you are expressing this in narrative, in dramatic way. In that scene of the play, Shorab goes forward and slaps the girl. Again, you watch that drama or play in past, but when you are telling someone in dramatic way or narrating, then you are using this in simple present tense. Simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence. In conditional clause, when sentence is in future, but conditional clause, in clause begins with if, and time clause, both will be in present simple tense. If you come, I will help you. If you come, I will help you. Both give future meaning, but if is conditional sentence, so two clauses in future not possible, so conditional clause be in simple present. And thank you for your time.